What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back at you with another video. Today I got a great video for you today. It's gonna be nice, short, and sweet. So hey man, you see this stool here? This was my first stool that I got right here. And boy, if you bagging up on this thing, you would turn over. And this stool here, yeah. See that? Trash. Hey, we're gonna get into it right after this. Alright, y'all, we are back. Yeah, we are back from trash, y'all. Y'all hear me? Hey, y'all, I should have never bought this right here. It's too short. I'm 6'3", and I ain't gonna tell you how much I weigh, but I'm 6'3". This is too short. I done bagged up so many times on this and fell backwards and almost tore my back up. And my son has done it as well. So we left that and we went to this boy here. But I don't think about this boy here. It keeps going down on me, y'all. It keeps going down on me. I mean, you sit on it for a little while and it goes down. So, my good people from HOGWORKZ, let me get this over here. Yeah, good people from HOGWORKZ, send me another stool, because I do wrench on my own bike sometime in the garage. Yes, I do free little thing. I do a little something out here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I do a little something on Khrome, and I'm sick of sitting on this, and I be sitting, and all of a sudden I'm just down. Hey, yeah, I'm getting older. I don't get up as fast as I used to. So I need to be up, stable, knowing that I'm not gonna fall back and hurt myself. So we're gonna get the box open here. I'm gonna let you see this nice looking stool that my good people from HOGWORKZ sent over. I think you're gonna like it. And we're gonna get it together. You might wanna go online and purchase you one after you see what I'm rocking with. Oh man, I already love it. Love it already. It come with the paperwork, the instructions, all that right there. So yeah, you see the forecasters and everything. Yeah, it tells you everything. All the parts included, the screws, the wheels, everything. So hey, and this is the seat part of it. Oh man, yeah. Look at that boy right there. Whoo, HOGWORKZ, baby. You already see, rocking the merch as well. But y'all, we're gonna get it together. You know, like you say, it's got the screws here. It's plain and simple, but I'll let you see what it look like after we done with it. And now I put a link down in the description. Maybe you wanna go purchase something like this. Nice little cushion on it. Got the 4 bolts right here that we're gonna mount right up under here. I think that's gonna be real, you know, straight to the point. And we'll get it up and let you check it out. All right, let's get to it. Got the wheels right here, baby. Yeah, let's get it.
This right here, right? Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it.
Right here. Line the hose up. You got the hose, and we got your bolts. Blue Loctite, y'all. Make sure you use it, okay? Hey, it also comes with your little wrench. I think this is the wrench for the wheels and your Allen wrench. The Allen wrench is for the bolts up under the seat. Make sure you use blue Loctite and don't over tighten them. Just get them snug, cause the blue Loctite is gonna actually hold so it won't loosen up on you, all right? That boy is on there. Now we're gonna get the wheels on. Hey, all you can see here, they put a little blue Loctite. This is already threaded right here. So check this is already threaded. You just take the screws, take your wheel and twist it up in here. Like I say, it's all threaded. So yeah, let's get it in. So you got this little wrench here. Just put it on there, just go around with it until you get it tightened up, y'all. Very easy and simple. HOGWORKZ makes it easy and simple for you. You see how easy that was. So let's do another one. Real nice, easy and simple. Put your blue Loctite on there, because you don't want this coming loose on you later, okay? So make sure you check out HOGWORKZ website and get you one of these right here. I think you, especially if you wrench on your own bike, they provide you with all the tools and everything on here. So I think you'll be well pleased with this product. Hey, great stool, y'all. I love the big casters on here. And the casters has locks on 3 wheels. Let's say if you're on a hill slope, you can lock 3 wheels. Yeah, I like that. Look how much bigger the wheels are, the caster's wheels, than the stock wheels. Look at that. Look at these wheels on here. Way bigger, way smoother. You can run over a couple of bumps, comfortable. You got a little support right here so you won't just roll back and fall off this boy right here. Oh, I really like this. And it rolls real smooth. Oh yeah, yeah, baby. But y'all, we're gonna end this video right here. And I'm gonna go ride a little bit. It's sunny, nice, a little windy, but we're gonna ride, man, so y'all stay safe out there. And again, I wanna thank HOGWORKZ for sending this over, and I really appreciate you. Hey, if you didn't catch my last video, make sure you go catch my last video on the way to Daytona. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy. And again, y'all remember my tour pack latch broke. Hey, my dude, Scott Townsend, I appreciate you meeting up with me today at Black Gold and giving me a tour pack latch. I really appreciate it, man. But y'all, till the next time, baby, the next grind, baby, we out. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm out. Peace. 1, 2, 3.
We rollin', man.